This support package brings enhancements to existing features. We've brought improvements to major reporting features and extended SAP HANA capabilities. We've increased the interactivity of input controls by allowing you to dynamically sort lists of values. Dynamic sorting will help you decide which values should be visible in priority. You might want your dates to be sorted by descending order, for instance, so that new values added to the list are displayed at the top automatically. We've also introduced dynamic default values so that you can use variables as default values for input controls. These two additions will speed up your reporting process by automatically working with the latest data available and prioritize what data should be displayed first according to your business needs. We've extended the customization possibilities of the HTML interface and made the right-click menu fully customizable. Hide commands and options directly from within the central management console. The right-click menu being contextual, the customization impacts the right-click on the page zone, headers and footers, tables, charts, free cells and sections. With the introduction of SAP HANA hierarchy-based variables, use multiple SAP HANA features on SAP HANA variables and input parameters. When answering prompts, the list of values now displays both key and caption values to help you browse through values. The Show Key button toggles the key values display, and you can either search by key or directly in the database. SAP HANA HDI Views are now supported. You can access them with SAP HANA Direct Access, SAP HANA Online Mode, Freehand SQL, or Relational Universes authored on SAP HANA. Multidimensional prompts based on the multidimensional MDX data source now accept multiple values. When refreshing the document, simply use semicolons to separate the values. New data accesses support this feature. Microsoft SQL Server Analyst Services Multidimensional Universes created with Information Design Tool, and SAP HANA Direct Access on SAP HANA Multidimensional Connection, including the newly supported SAP HANA HDI Views.